Good evening to all. It's wonderful to be with you again. I'll take this opportunity to make a few announcements. Now, once again, thank you. Thank you for being with Indusua and thank you for giving us a chance to serve you. My dear DAC members, my beloved distributors, my CEO, and my corporate team, it's a pleasure to address you all today, and I hope you're all staying safe. Indus Viva is a responsible company that values the well-being of every person across the world. We encourage, we innovate and sustain futuristic philosophies and goals. We firmly believe that giving back to the society is the ultimate global value one should have. Over these years, there were several global and national socio-economic discourses made that disoriented the course of our living. The pandemic was the worst of it all. As you all know, we revised the prices of our products after 7 years since the inception. January 2021 made us hopeful that we recovered from the pandemic. But we had to see severe circumstances. People who were dear and near to us lost their lives to COVID-19. I lost my own co-sister. We lost our beloved Dr. Shamsuddin and Mr. Rakesh Verma, and many from our Viva family. If you look as of date, over 4.71 lakh people in India died due to COVID-19. People lost their jobs and businesses. Many lost the only breadwinner in the family. Imagining how these families will have to thrive is really scary and disheartening. The unemployment rate in urban India, where all facilities are available, rose by almost 20% post the pandemic. Rural is thus unthinkable, in fact. As you all know, the scenario is getting worsened with a new deadly version of the virus called Omicron. In fact, it is identified in our own very headquarters city, Bangalore. Thinking that the period of severity is decreased, India opened its tourism and gates to more than 100 countries. Many countries did the same. However, it only intensified the impact of the virus. Quarantines and other measures that were lifted are now being re-implemented. Even though India has done a wonderful job in vaccinating maximum people, we are not still out of danger. To get us all back together, to get back to normal life, or at least closer, we believe that the ideal point to start with is our product, which is immunity boosting, health supplements, and which is of a superlative quality. Our products are the archangels required in this world right now. As you all know, we have seen the miracles that our products have brought in the lives of many. It is our responsibility to make it accessible to everyone. Now, how can we do that? I'll come to that point. To make our product more affordable and accessible, my dear Vivites, Indus Viva has decided to revise the prices of the products. Yes, we have decided to revise the prices of the products. Along with that, the opportunity to take up the business and earn a living. It's now your time to help one another, as the company has made another bold move to protect the interest and lives of its people. I'm sure you might be waiting to hear when I talk about the revision in the prices. So let me share the good news with you now. Effective week 410, that is this week. Effective week 410, that's this week onwards, Indus Viva products will be sold at the revised maximum retail price of rupees 2,997.50, 2,997.50. That's point number one. All your reorders shall be eligible for a retail profit of rupees 500. I repeat, all your reorders shall be eligible for a retail profit of rupees 500. All first orders of 200 PV, all first orders of 200 PV shall be eligible for the retail profit of rupees 500 per unit. The MRP of the existing stock might be 3597.50, that is 3597.50. That's the MRP of the existing stock. It will be given at a revised rate of 29950. But those who have purchased the stock at the old rate shall sell them as per the amount for which the order was placed. I repeat, those who have purchased the stock at the old rate shall sell them as per the amount for which the order was placed. So this was the important announcement which we wanted to make. I am sure this will help us to rebuild our business. So you as a team, you stood with us in the toughest times. Here is our gratitude to you and commitment to you. We will stand with you always, and especially in your tough times. We are all in this together. I hope as the year ends, the resolutions and your goals for the coming year turns into reality. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a healthy and a Happy New Year well in advance. Once again, my sincere appreciation and for your dedicated efforts and all the support you have extended to this company. God bless Indus Viva. God bless our country. Jai Hind. Thank you.